In this video, we're going to be showing how to buy your favorite cryptocurrency with zero trading fees using Coinbase Advanced. If you've been trading cryptocurrencies for a while, you'll know that trading fees are inevitable, and although can seem small, these can significantly eat into your profits. However, there's currently a way for traders to pay zero trading fees. For a limited time, Coinbase Advanced is offering traders in the UK the opportunity to trade without any fees until October 7th, 2023. This video is sponsored by Coinbase, and we'll walk you through the steps on how to take advantage of this offer and maximize your returns. For more information, please check out everybethelps.io. First up, a little bit about Coinbase Advanced. For those of you who aren't aware, Coinbase, the leading global cryptocurrency brand for beginners, also has a world-class trading platform, Coinbase Advanced, for sophisticated traders. As one of the most liquid exchanges, Coinbase Advanced offers 552 market pairs for spot trading, with 237 new USDC pairs for non-US traders. And this allows non-US traders to trade in USD markets for the first time, and US traders to be able to trade USD pairs with USDC. And Coinbase Advanced has its own unique set of features, with helpful charts and tools to understand prices better. Plus you can set specific limit and stop limit orders. It's also super easy to manage your money. You can put your money in or take your money out anytime you like, and it won't cost you anything. In terms of fees, they are dynamic and volume-based, which are actually very competitive at $100,000 trading volume, with less than or 0.1% maker and less than or equal to 0.2% for taker. But as I said at the beginning, for a limited time from now until the 7th of October 2023, Coinbase Advanced is offering zero trading fees for UK traders. So let's jump in and take a look. To reach Coinbase Advanced, you simply log in with your standard Coinbase account, head across to your profile, and toggle to Coinbase Advanced. Alternatively, you can also reach Coinbase Advanced by heading to coinbase.com/advanced-trade. So there's no need to create or register or remember separate login details. If you don't already have an account for Coinbase, then I will have a link in the description below that you can use. Plus, I've also got a Coinbase Advanced full tutorial available, which I'll link below. So now that we've reached the advanced trading screen, you'll see the pop-up saying that for a limited time, we can enjoy 0% maker and taker fees on every trade until the 7th of October 2023. So let's take a look at how we can place an order fee-free now. I'll start by placing a buy order. And I'm choosing to buy Bitcoin now with GBP, as I'm from the UK and currently holding British pounds in my wallet. So I'll just select BTC-GBP from the drop-down. Alternatively, you could always buy USDC for zero commission fees and then automatically get 4.6% rewards on your trading balance when it's not in use. If you don't already have any GBP deposited, you can do so from here. And you can add cash via bank transfer to the account details that are shown up on your screen. But as I said, I do have a full tutorial which goes into more detail for this. Then we'll need to be on the buy side over on the right hand side of the screen. And I'm going to place a market order here now. The amount that I'd like to buy is £100 of Bitcoin, and you can enter this amount in either BTC or GBP. If I take a look at the estimated fee now, you'll see that this is showing as zero for both maker and taker orders. Now if we were to place the same order over on Coinbase.com, you'll see here that I would have been paying around £2.99. So it's a great way to get more Bitcoin for your money here. But even when the promotion has ended, the fees on Coinbase Advanced are still competitive, which are based on maker-taker orders and your trading volume, but they start at 0.6% and they reduce the more that you trade. So I'm going to go ahead now and place my order, which will complete immediately at the best available price on the order book. If I click onto my order now and scroll down, it's showing the final fees that I've paid, which are zero. So let's just double check that this also works on the sell side and with another type of order. From the drop down, I'm going to be again choosing GBP BTC again, as I'd like to now sell my Bitcoin for GBP. And I'll choose to sell with a limit order. And a limit order just allows us to define the price that we want to sell our Bitcoin or our asset at. The last price is currently at £20,705. So we might want to say that we want to sell our Bitcoin when the price reaches £20,800, for example. So let's enter that into our price or our limit. Then enter the amount that we want to sell when the price reaches this amount. Again, we can put this either into GBP or BTC. I'm going to sell £100. And again, we can see that that fee is estimated at 0. So let's place our sell BTC order now. And we're just going to need to wait for the price to hit that value. So now that's gone through, I'll just check the order details, where it confirms those 0 fees. And our GBP is now appearing in our wallet, so we could then potentially cash out. As I said, these 0 trading fees for UK traders do only last until the 7th of October. However, even after this point, or for those of you that are outside the UK, the fees are minimal at a maximum of 0.6% for the lowest trading volumes. This video was sponsored by Coinbase. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, then please feel free to use the link in our description. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.